Christmas came early for residents of Cavite and Batangas when Senator Manny Pacquiao visited their province. The boxing champ brought gifts and cash. Photos of Pacquiao's event spread online, alarming netizens of what appeared to be violations of COVID-19 protocols. The Department of Interior and local government has initiated a probe. Pacquiao's office maintains there were no protocol violations. Pacquiao's camp stressed marshals were assigned to ensure the implementation of health protocols. Physical arrangements for all events were pre-inspected to ensure social distancing. People will also check for face masks and face shields.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.